This is Murari. Today I will explain one of the common use cases of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a language model which is available under the OpenAI. So you already know about the OpenAI and the ChatGPT nowadays. This is a latest things in the tech market. So today I will show you the use cases of how we can write a code as a human beings. I mean, the same thing can ChatGPT do in a very short period of time. So for example, I have taken 5 programs: write a program to find a factorial numbers, write a program to find a simple interest, write a program to print a palindrome string in C sharp, write a program to print a triangle patterns, and write a program to create a calculator. So, I mean, these all are a very basic programming that we already have started at the initial stage. So the reason behind is I'm not explaining here about the programming and internal things related to these given points. I just want to show you how you can utilize the chat GPT with your IDE to write these type of things. Okay, let's come on our Visual Studio. So I will explain you everything from the scratch. That's why I will create a new console applications, so it will help you to understand better and clear way. So it is opening right now. I'm opening the Visual Studio 2022. I will take the console applications. We'll go next. I will write here demo, chat GPT demo, chat GPT demo. Any name you can give according to your requirement. So I have provided a specific folders, I mean location. So here I will go next, and here by default we have .NET 6 and .NET 7 as well, because .NET 6 is long-term support. That's why we will take it .NET 6 only. You can go with any other version as well, because the chat GPT is supported in any of the version, I mean latest version, either it is Microsoft Visual Studio 2029 or 2022. So currently I'm opening it in Visual Studio 2029, 22. So here, this is the very first things that is open. I mean, this is completely blank. There is nothing. So now I will show you how, with the help of ChatGPT, you can write whatever, I mean, point that I already have described. So I will show you everything. So here we have the program class and the related things to the I mean this project. So first of all, I mean, how you will use that particular extension with your Visual Studio. For that, I have already created a video, so I will add that particular link in the descriptions. So if you didn't watch that video, then first of all you need to watch there, because this is the content. I mean, this video is a continuation of that previous video. That's why you will able to understand that how you can go inside the extension, and you will I mean download that extension. I'm talking about chat GPT. So for that I already have created a video. That's why I will not go inside to explain much about. So I already have installed it. Okay, so once you will download and install this chat GPT extension, then the next thing will be you will need to create a API key. So obviously you are using a ChatGPT functionality. That's why you need to create a API key for ChatGPT. So also for that, I have created a video how we can create a API key. So that video I will add in the descriptions. You can go and check out that video before this session. Now, if your API, I mean extension is ready with your Visual Studio ID and that API key is created, then you need to set that particular API key. So I will show you. Here you will go inside the tool. Okay, so under the tool you will scroll down and you will go inside the option. So here, if the chat GPT extension will installed properly in your system, then you will have here in the option called Visual ChatGPT Studio. So here you will click on Visual ChatGPT Studio. So here is an option, Open AI API key. So here you will put whatever key you will create in the options window. Once you will put it here, then you will go and close it. Okay. Currently, I will close. I will show you everything in details. So now our ChatGPT extension related things are already shut down. Now we'll go and use that particular extension to write whatever code we are expecting. Okay, so for that, here you have view. Under the view, you will go on other window. So after the other window, you will have the ChatGPT Studio Turbo and ChatGPT Studio. So the both are almost same, but if you will talk about ChatGPT Studio Turbo, so in this you will have some details. It is like a algorithm writing type of things. So you will open the first one, then here the both screen are almost same, but I will prefer the another one because the both will do the same activity, but the turbo will do the same activity in details, like what it is doing and other details information as well. And panel is looks better than the previous one. Okay, so here you have a panel. You can maximize or minimize these things, so I have currently maximized it. Okay, so now I will do one thing. So here I will go and use that questions that I already described you. So I will show you. Okay, so the first question I will copy from here and paste in that wizard that I already have open. So this is the wizard. Here I will paste that question. So my question is, write a program to find the factorial of number in C#. So this is my question. I will click on this send icon. Once I will click on this send icon, so it will take, I think, 5 to 10 seconds. So once this will be executed under this, then you will have the complete programming that as a human we have to do. So program is completely ready here. So first of all, we need to go and create another class. So I will go here and write factorial. So I will add a class called factorial. Okay, so I have added a class called factorial. Okay, now I will just go and copy this code. Here you have the option for copying. So here you will click on copy, but you already have created a factorial class, so it is not required to put the program. That's why you just need to manually copy from the static void main. Main program is a class that you already have created as factorial. So you just need to go and paste here. Okay, and here you can put it as it is, because this is an internal. I'm not much talking about the coding point of view, because currently I'm showing the demo of ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can help you to write a code. Okay, so our code is ready. Now for the first program, I will go and I have just copy and pasted something. According to the name of our according to the requirement of our class name, I have just added it. Okay, so wait 1 second, because currently it is pointing this program. That's why it is showing hello words. For that, we will go under the properties and we'll set here the class name. Okay, not from here. So here I will set currently it is not set, that's why it is taking the by default main. So I will set chat GPT demo factorial. So once I will click on this and will save it, again I will done, then no, what is the error? Main if, okay, wait, so I currently it is pointing this main. If I will delete it and will try to run. Okay, so now here is the input that is required for this program. So for example, if I will input 5, so the factorial will be 120. So here is the output, like factorial of the 5 is 120. Okay, now we need to go out of this logic. So that is the things that we are showing, I mean how we can utilize the chat gpt to write our code. For same you can do for another program as well. So currently this program here, you have already noticed the chat gpt already explained what it is doing inside. So here it is showing the all things like in progress and I mean the program related activity they have shown here. Okay, so first of all, now you will go for your another program, that's why you need to clear it. So here you will click on this trash icon and then you will click on yes, so it will be clear. Now I will add our another programs. So I mean this is just examples that I would like to show. So I have write a program to find the simple interest. So as it is, you will go and paste here. Here is the code, like write a program to find simple interest in C sharp. Okay, so to keep consider, I'm not talking only about C sharp. If you want to write the program in any other language like Java or Python or any other language, obviously you can just put in each which language you expect the answer from the chat gpt. So chat gpt will provide you according to that. Here I will again click on send button, so it will take some time. I mean this is here, you can see the processing is going on. This green sign means the processing is going on. So once, I mean in 5 to 10 seconds when processing will be up, then it will provide the answers. We just have to copy and paste that particular code. There is nothing internal query you have to do, I mean you have to take care about. So here, I mean our program is ready in 5 seconds. So this is a simple interest program. I will just go and add one more class called simple interest. I'm not going on the code right now because currently our intention to show the functionality of ChatGPT. So here I will write some simple interest. Okay, so I will add this class. Class is already added. So here, because already have the program, that's why I will just copy this main function and will paste under the okay, so I will just copy this main. So either you can I mean copy manually, or you can copy from here as well. Okay, so here you have the copy icon, so that's why you can copy from anywhere. Here I will go again, I will paste it. Okay, so the simple interest code is just copied and pasted using with the help of ChatGPT. So now this looks okay. We will go and run. So probably our program will I mean give some error. The reason behind is currently okay, it will not an error because I have already set it the previous programs. So for these programs we have to go and set the simple interest as a main. So here you will go in the properties, and for this programming output you will go and select the factorial. Okay, wait, factorial. Okay, static void main. So currently it is okay. Now we just need to rebuild it, because once you will build, then this code will be there at properties section. So now I will go, sorry, we'll click on properties. Now here you will see the another project as well. Okay, I mean, this is, what is the issue? We need to check ChatGPT demo and main. Okay, so I will rebuild again, clean and rebuild again. Now I will go inside the properties. I think, is there any issue? Wait. Do we missing anything? I will write here public. So again we'll go, and this one is already open, so we'll go and check in this class as well, main. So we will write this one public. Okay, now that should be there. Okay, we will go and check again properties, and we'll set that project right now. Okay, so here, I mean, because of some access, this was not showing here. So currently I will select simple interest. Okay, previously I have done it as factorial, so currently I will select simple interest. So we'll go and run our application. Okay, so here I will input 500 as a principal amount, 10% as a interest, and for two years. So the answer should be 10, 50, 100. The answer should be 100. So here you can see our answer is 100. That means the program is executed as expected. Okay, and please do not confuse for the running process, because I am using the two different main. So main is like an entry point, so I'm using the two entry point in a single under the single namespace. That should not be there. That's why that was the issue. So your focus should be how the ChatGPT is generating the code and how we can utilize. I mean, there's no any internal changes, just we have to create a class according to our requirement. We will just go and paste our code and run again. I mean, there is no any internal changes. So how this is helping you? So currently I will show you the last one, and from the 5 of this point I have shown you first and second. Just I am printing the triangle with the help of ChatGPT, and the rest 3 and 5 you will do and with your system. And please write in comment if it is going on or not. If you have any help is required, then please let me in the comment. I will back to you if you have any issue. Okay, let's go again and we'll go for ChatGPT. Okay, looks that window is closed, so we'll again go here and we'll open again the turbo window. Here I am maximizing it. I will put that thing. So here I have written, write a program to print triangle patterns. Okay, we'll go and click on this send button. So I already have clicked. It will take, I mean, some time, 5 seconds, and it will write a code to print a triangle using star. So I mean, this type of code we have done at the initial stage of our journey. So this is very interesting. So here you can see it is printed the star. So if I will write specific questions. So, for example, if I will write print a triangle using a star, then it will print only with the star as well, because this is a generic question. Write a triangle patterns. That why it is printed 1 2 3 anything. Okay, so we will just go and use this code again with our. So current in this time, I'm just commenting this code, and please, and pasting here just for your understanding. So this is a factorial, so we'll go and change here as running properties as factorials. Currently it is selected simple interest. We'll go and run our program. Okay, so I mean, you already have noticed I'm not going to think about what is the code is going on. Obviously, in your case, it might be possible that your code is more complex. So in this case, you must have to check everything line by line. But currently, this is a very basic things, basic programming. So that I just want to focus on ChatGPT. So we'll go and run it. So here you will go and check your output. So okay, so already you have seen whatever output the chat gpt is given, it is printing 1 2 3 as a triangle string, I mean triangle patterns. So if you want the same pattern with a star or anything else, then you just have to write specific questions. According to that, ChatGPT will return back to you with your output. Okay, so this is the things that I would like to show you guys. So our purpose, our intent was to show you guys how the ChatGPT can write a better and customized code. So when I'm saying better and customized code, so here you can say it is showing, I mean writing the even all comments as well. That is indicating it is writing the code better than a human. I mean sometimes human can, I mean forget to write a particular comment or anything else in the code, but the chat gpt is doing the same activity in a very short period of time and with a well mannered process. Okay, so that's all. So our focus was to show you how we can use that chat gpt extension, how we can configure, and after that how you can ask under the visual studio. I mean you do not need to go anywhere else. You do not need to go on chat gpt or openai website to write your query and copy your question, answers. You just have your visual studio id. Under that you have the extension. You just need to open that extension and write your question. That it's, then it will provide you the answer. That answer you will just copy and paste it. Yes, it may be possible that the ai can do a little bit mistake in very complex programs. That's why you need to just verify it. So I mean it will reduce the, I mean a productive time spent in this type of programming. Instead of you can use that particular time with your productive activity or complex activity. So that's all. So here I have shown you the three scenario, the first one, second one, and fourth one. Third and fifth, you will just see this video and try to follow this video and do the third and fifth one, and please write in the comment how it is processing at your end. If you have any issue regarding that, then please write me in the comment. I will back to you. And you must have to seen our two videos. The first one is how we have integrated the use that chat gpt extension with the visual studio first, and another one is how you can create the openai api key. Then only you will able to understand these sessions. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video looks informative, then please share with your dev community to understand the uses of ChatGPT in the programming world, and please subscribe our channel for this type of latest video on ChatGPT or on the another technology as well. And please put your like, because your like will be help to spread this type of informative content over the